Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, a very warm sunny welcome to you here at Emerald House of Cars. My name is Greg and today I'm going to be your host of this quick virtual walk around video just to give you a little bit more info if you're looking at buying remotely or you're wondering about the car before you come down and meet the team. So what can I tell you about the Korean brand? Well, I can tell you that now they are no longer just another brand or another competitor in a very German and Japanese dominated market. In fact, I would argue as a car enthusiast and a bit of a specialist in some respects that Kia are one of the better brands out there, full stop. The amount of value for money you get, the amount of spec, the amount of options you get are pretty absurd considering the value of the car. And don't forget as well, you get the fantastic warranty options, you also get the reliability, solid build quality. They are now a very, very impressive brand, and this one is no different. Now you can see on here, this is finished in Phantom Black, so that means you do get a nice deep metallic shimmer all the way across the bodywork. You move down, you can see you've got, as I call them, your spider spokes, your 5 twin spoke alloy wheels, which are diamond cut in titanium grey and chrome. You do of course have front parking sensors. You've got gloss black and chrome on the styling pack on here. You can see it just there around the fog lights around. You've got the chrome embezzlement. You've also got the chrome on the rear diffuser on the bottom. And you can see you've also got that gorgeous futuristic concept type grille along with front sensor and gloss black on there. Here you've got your bi-LED headlights. You can also see moving all the way across and round, you have of course got your LED daytime running lights. Coming up top, you can see you have of course got your electric folding adjustable mirrors, nice big windscreen, and that of course leads up top to the panoramic glass sunroof, which of course opens as well, which we'll show you in just a bit. Now also on there you can see that you have got chrome roof bars. Chrome styling pack does extend around the windows as well. You can see gloss black B pillars, tinted privacy glass, and your electric folding mirrors. There you go, there are them in action. Moving down, you've got black satin. You've also got the black wheel arch and bumper system as well on your scuff plates and tread plates to give you that extra protection. Rear parking sensors, body coloured door handles, and you can see the chrome all the way across the lower section. Then you come round to the back, it's nice, sweeping, long, really cool, very similar actually to the new GLAs. You can see on this, you've got lip spoiler, high level LED brake light, tinted privacy glass, gloss back C-pillar. Then you've got your rear LED lighting clusters. You move across, big statement badging. The X of course is more pronounced. You can also see rear wiper. You come down, rear lights, and of course dual exit chrome exhaust with a silver diffuser as well. Now you can open the boot of course off the key. You've also got a reverse camera on the back. You click and hold the button, you can see it beeps to allow and warn you that the boot is opening. And under here you can see you've got a very substantial sized boot. You've also got 2 tweeters in here, which of course form part of the JBL audio system, and underneath lock and wheel nuts and a spare wheel as well. Very, very impressive. Now to shut the boot, click the button there, and that of course is the smart release and open tailgate system. Moving all the way around and down, you can see rear sensors, got your petrol filler cap on this side. And you come all the way around, you can see it's presented very, very well indeed. Really well looked after, really well maintained, and of course very low miles and low owners as well. Now, heading inside to what I call a VIP section, which is of course behind the tinted privacy glass. When you get in, you're greeted by, hands down, the best interior I've seen this year. It's going to be contrast, it's going to be controversial, half leather, half cloth. Of course you can see you've got that quilted design in bright yellow. For me, it just shows exactly why the brand are making such strides, why they're so highly revered, and why they're so popular. Truly fantastic options. And those seats in the back, yep, they're heated as well. Then moving inside in the front, if you thought that was funky, take a look at what awaits you. Fun, cool, charismatic, big spec, impressive, eye-catching, stylish, however you want to describe it, you do that, because this is a work of art. Now those seats of course are electronically adjustable with electronic number support. You've of course got your stainless steel door inlay, stainless steel pedals. You come across, you've got gloss black. You can see you've got memory setting for the driver's seat. You've also of course on there got chrome, come down, gloss black, chrome. You've got your JBL premium audio system. You can see leather with a yellow contrast stitching on the armrest as well. Chrome, electric folded adjustable mirrors and electric windows as well. And then when you get inside, it's even more impressive. You can see features on features on features. Here you've got ESC, which is traction control release for the boot, lane assist, lane keep, lane departure. You've also of course here got blind spot, instrument cluster lighting, headlight range control, and you can see you've got piano gloss black and that gorgeous satin chrome yellow as well. And on top of that you've got leather all the way across the dashboard with your JBL audio system. Honestly, I like things that shouldn't be as cool as they are, and this definitely fits in that bracket. This interior, I don't think you would ever get bored of it. It's absolutely incredible. Now to turn it on, it's very simple. Push the button first. That'll of course turn it on. That'll get it sorted. That'll acknowledge everything is clicked. Then of course foot on the brake, press the button again. You can see it turns on first time. You've got a gorgeous digital dash, really nice, really modern, really chic, really bespoke. Very cool. Everything they do now is just so smooth and so easy on the eye. You can see here you've got all the options. Mileage is of course 22,227. You've got all the options on there, and to control the options on the dashboard you use this side of your steering wheel. Just to focus, you can see just here now. At the minute we're on the driving, you can see you've got digital speedo, transmission temperature, fuel economy, accumulated info, the drive information. If you click across, which is of course the button just there, you can go onto your navigation, and you've got driver attention, speed limit warning, tyre pressure lights, and of course you've got the digital option as well just there. Now if you hold OK, you can get onto settings. You can see SCC, driver assist, you've got warning timing as well, you've got lane departure, lane follow, speed limit warning as well. I mean, this is just so stacked. Now coming down from that, you can see here you've got your auto headlight, you've got your auto high beam as well. You know, you click the stalk and you can see the high beam light just there. Again, a very cool way to do it. Moving across, you've got your auto wipers, and then you come back onto the steering wheel. No longer are these Kia's Korean cheap tat. They're premium, they're luxurious, and on this you've got a full soft touch leather steering wheel, concave base, satin silver. On the base of it you can see you've got your black and chrome Kia badging. You've also got volume control, audio options, volume and Bluetooth telephone. Then on here, cruise control. You've of course got your driver assistance and your instrument cluster menu as well. Excuse me. Now on your media system you can see it's the nice big touchscreen unit, very similar I would say in size to the BMW Pro Nav screen, and very similar setup. Satin gold all the way across. Simply touch your screen and you can see not only have you got the split screen, but you've got the large screen as well. And the navigation on these is absolutely superb, very simple to use, very easy, and very effective. Now you can scroll all the way across. You've got map, nav, you've of course got your favourites. You can go on the radio. If you click on the button just here, you can see you've got DAB. Now if you go on band, DAB, FM and AM. If you click on the home menu, you can see on here you've got your other options. You've got your weather settings as well, which you can activate or deactivate if you wish. You can scroll across and then you see you've got everything on here you want. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you've got your driving info if you wish to see that. Of course that gives you a rundown of how the car's performing. Phone, you've got the UVO as well on there. You can see vehicle diagnostics. You also got the voice memo, radio, media, of course on there you can see USB video, map settings and navigation. Pretty much every single thing that you would want to see on a media setup, and of course you've got the JBL branding just here. Moving down, passenger airbag light, you've of course got your hazard light, central locking, and then you can see you've got, very similar to an Audi, digital dual zone climate control. Simply use it and the temperature by turning it left and right to go to the dials. You've got aircon, heated front screen, heated rear screen, synchronization so you can have the temperatures the same, air distribution force, turn it off where the air's portrayed into the cabin, and recirculation or auto mode. Heated seats in 3 stages for the driver and passenger, and of course a heated steering wheel. Moving down, you've got your QI wireless charger, and of course you can see that it's just up here, so it's out the way of potential thieves. Now as well, down here you've got piano gloss black and chrome. You can see in there 12-volt charger, USB, and of course you've got another USB for charging and further storage as well. All of this again in piano gloss black with chrome. Looks fantastic, so stylish. You come down, you've got your automatic gearbox, which is a sports gearbox, very easy to use. Foot on the brake, click the lever, push it down. The letter that illuminates will tell you which gear you're in. You'll know when you're in reverse, one, because you'll get a beep that'll illuminate. Your camera and sensors will come on. You can put it down into drive, and you'll see here you've got D1. If you knock it across, you'll see that you're now in manual, and you can use that as a sport gearbox. Very easy to use. Down goes down the gears, plus goes up the gears. Hold the button in, push it up to P, you're now in park. Next to that, you've got sport mode. You can see your clocks take on a more dynamic design. Normally you get the standard ones. When you go into sport mode, you can see it gives you a little bit more enhanced and something a bit more special. Auto start stop on and off, audible parking sensors, and this button here is of course park assist. So if I put the indicators on, you'll be able to see I can shift it to D and it will change, and the steering wheel will do what I need it to automatically. Very simple and very easy. Very impressive. You can see now the steering wheel is back, and that is a definite bit of kit you're going to want to use. Under here you can see you've got your lock and wheel nut. You've got a dual cup holder in here. Again, that has got nice easy fluid storage. Auto parking brake, auto hold, pen holder, and a leather armrest just here. Lift that up, and you've got big deep storage as well. And now, just to finish off, the panoramic glass sunroof. The sun blind of course opens with the use of the same button. You can see nice big glass pan roof. Hold it back, let it go, hands free, sunroof opens, jobs are good. Now you can open it a little bit further if you wish, but we're happy with it just there. But all in all, a very great looking bit of kit. Click the button forward just once, that will close it, and pull the sun blind back across as well. But if you're looking for something very bespoke, individual, distinctive, a little bit unorthodox, but offers great value for money, great economy, a humongous specification list, low running costs, and of course it's practical for a family of any size, I'm telling you, Korean cars are the way to go. And this Kia Exceed First Edition is a fantastic choice. Now, in terms of reassurance, I know you're going to want to need it, and I know that you know that Kias are great, but don't forget this car, along with every other car here, has of course been treated to our Emerald 128 point check. That means our on-site RAC approved facility have given this a thorough and meticulous cosmetic and mechanical inspection, along with an oil and filter service in prep. And if you're looking at buying it, there's finance, which can be confusing. There's HP, PCP, you can pay cash, you can depart exchange, or you can even utilise our click and deliver option. For more info on any of those processes, do please speak to your sales team, Tom and Victoria. But for me, Greg, here at Emerald, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and more importantly, we can't wait to hear from you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course, everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time holding the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million, straight million.
Way more than 10. I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the 11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
But I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.